We can know from our literature what the mind of the time was. By the time there was an America, humanity still had this notion of nature as a harsh foe. In Young Goodman Brown, Hawthorne uses the forest as an allegory for evil. As the devil leads him farther out, he gets more apprehensive and shouts, "Too far, too far," and said his father never went so far. In The Open Boat, the survivors of a sunken ship are almost helpless in their boat. They are at the mercy of Mother Nature, and she does not appear to be particularly fair or merciful. We see here another example in the thoughts of American literature of how nature is harsh and to be feared. As we have continued to progress in recent years, we don't always feel as threatened by nature, but perhaps we still view her as an old foe to be conquered. If so, we need to overcome this line of thought so that we may leave the earth better than we found it, so our children may have a happy and healthy home.